Quantum mechanics is the science of the very small. It deals with atoms and the particles inside them. These particles don't always follow the rules of everyday life. Imagine a tiny world where things can be in multiple places at once. That's kind of like quantum mechanics. One key idea is quantization. Energy, like light, comes in tiny packets called quanta. Think of it like stairs, not a ramp. You can only stand on specific steps, not in between. Another idea is wave-particle duality. Particles, like electrons, can act like waves. Waves, like light, can act like particles. It's like they have two sides to their personality. Heisenberg's uncertainty principle is also important. It says we can't know both a particle's position and speed perfectly. The more we know one, the less we know the other. It's like trying to catch a slippery fish. Quantum mechanics is used in many technologies. Lasers, computers, and medical imaging all rely on it. Without quantum mechanics, these things wouldn't exist. Quantum mechanics helps us understand how atoms bond together. This explains why materials have different properties. It's like understanding the secret recipe of the universe. Quantum mechanics also explains radioactive decay. Some atoms are unstable and break apart. This process releases energy in particles. Quantum mechanics is essential for understanding the sun. Nuclear fusion in the sun's core is a quantum process. It provides the energy that sustains life on Earth. Quantum mechanics is still a mystery in some ways. Scientists are still trying to understand its deepest implications. It's a field full of exciting discoveries. Quantum entanglement is a strange phenomenon. Two particles can be linked together even if they're far apart. Measuring one instantly affects the other. It's like they have a secret connection. Quantum computers are a new type of computer. They use quantum mechanics to solve problems faster. They could revolutionize medicine, materials, science, and more. Quantum mechanics challenges our everyday intuition. It shows us that the universe is stranger than we thought. But it also reveals the beauty and elegance of nature. Quantum mechanics is used to create new materials. Scientists can design materials with specific properties. This could lead to stronger, lighter, and more efficient product. Quantum mechanics plays a role in photosynthesis. Plants use quantum effects to capture sunlight efficiently. This is essential for life on Earth. Quantum mechanics is used in sensors and detectors. These devices can measure tiny changes in the environment. They are used in medicine, security, and scientific research. Quantum mechanics is a fundamental theory of physics. It underlies all of chemistry and much of biology. It's the foundation of our understanding of the world. Studying quantum mechanics can be challenging, but it's also incredibly rewarding. It opens up a whole new way of thinking about the universe. Quantum mechanics is a constantly evolving field. New discoveries are being made all the time. The future of quantum mechanics is bright.